Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. It is time to have another great week of learning and school and fun things. So let's get started with our calendar. You should have your calendar packet now. Maybe you guys, I don't know if you've gotten your new packet yet. Again, just use the one we started working with the other day. Remember, we marked out that one and we put the one on Friday because that's when May started. Okay, let's check in on our mood meter. Okay, so everybody, let's look at our mood meter and see how we're feeling. How are we feeling? I am in the yellow. I've been kind of silly this morning. Um, I slept good. I had a good breakfast. I'm definitely in the yellow. I'm feeling good. Um, you'll notice there's no chicken noises this morning. There's not going to be any chicken noises because the chickens moved outside into their chicken coop on Saturday. So they've been spending the night outside the last 2 nights. They seem to be doing good. So they're old enough to sleep outside, so we won't be hearing any chicken noises during calendar anymore. All right. Is everybody checked in? All right, let's talk about the date. Let's talk about the date together. So, Friday was May 1st. Then we had the weekend. So we need to write on your calendar, you need to write a 2 right here. And I need to find the 2. Here it is. And then it was Sunday. Okay. And I need to find a 3. All right. So we have, make sure you put a 3 here. And then after Sunday comes Monday. Today is Monday and it is Star Wars Day. Do you remember why it's Star Wars Day? It's because in Star Wars, they say, may the force be with you, like when they're leaving or telling somebody good luck. Well, today is May 4th. So it's may the 4th be with you. So Ms. Thompson has on her R2D2 shirt. Can you see it? And I hope you are wearing your Star Wars shirt if you have one, or Sammy's wearing Star Wars pajamas. Or if you don't have a Star Wars shirt, maybe you can watch Star Wars today, or you can watch one of the cartoons, or you can play with Star Wars toys if you have them. But it is Star Wars Day. So let's go ahead and count to today. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So everybody write a 4. Like that. Okay. And remember, sometimes 4s look different. So our 4 probably does look different. There it is. Remember, it's May 4th. So we know what day it is, huh? Because of Star Wars Day. Okay, let's go ahead and say the date. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. All right. So happy Star Wars Day, everyone. All right. So let's talk about the weather. So I've already been outside this morning to check on the chickens, and it was not super cold. I noticed that, and I saw the sun was coming up. So I think it's sunny, or at least it's maybe partly cloudy. Let's see what the weather says. Whoops. There we go. And you can go look out your window too and check the weather, right? So it says it is sunny, and I was right, it wasn't cold. It's 63 degrees and it's sunny. Oh, today it's going to be 82. It might rain tonight on the chickens. I'll have to go check on them, but it's going to be beautiful today. Okay, so let's go back and let's do a sunny day. Another sunny day, which is exciting. This weekend it was beautiful too, wasn't it? I hope everybody had a good weekend. So I need yellow and color this in. All right, and we are going to write what now? A 2. Yeah, we have 2 sunny days. We had 1, we added 1. 1 plus 1 makes 2. Okay, and everything else is how many? 0. That's right, we have 2 sunny days. Okay, so this is how many days we have left in kindergarten, right? So we're going to take 1 away. Now you figure out how many days are left in kindergarten. I want you to figure it out. You got it? So it's 10, 20, 21. 21 days left in kindergarten. So how many 10s do we have? We have 1, 2, we have 2 full 10s. And how many 1s do we have? Yeah, we just have 1. Whoops. 1, 1. So that makes 21. Good job, you guys. Can't believe it. Only 21 days left. All right, time to do our snap word of the day. Ready? This one also starts with a W. Our one on Friday started with W as well. So here we go. I think it was Friday. Anyway, okay. No, we didn't. I don't remember. It doesn't matter. Okay, W. Oh no. Oh, it's doing that weird thing. Maybe if I write down here, it'll do it better. I don't know why it does this, guys. It wrote fine over here. There we go. W-I-T-H. Does anybody know what that says? That says with. With. And look, it has the digraph at the end. We'll talk about it when we study the word in a minute. All right, everybody, step one, read the word. Read it. With. Good. Now study it. Let's study it. Okay, what do we notice? We were talking about the digraph. It does have a digraph at the end. What digraph does it have? Yeah, it has th, like thumb, right there at the end. Say it with. You can hear the th at the end. Good. How many vowels does it have? One vowel. So that means it has 1, 2, 3 consonants. Good. And yep, it has 2 tall letters. These are tall. Does it have any tails? No. How many parts does it have? With. Just one. Yep, one word part, one vowel. All right, you guys, let's spell it. W-I-T-H. With. Good. Now we need to write it. So let's all write with. Let's write it. I'm going to write it up here. You write it on your paper again. W-I-T-H. Good. With. Now we are going to write a sentence. We're going to use it, right? Because that's the most important thing. We have to learn how to use our words when we learn them. We don't just learn them and forget them. We learn these words and we use them when we read and when we write and when we talk. Okay, so I was thinking that we could write, and remember, you can come up with your own or you can do this one. I was thinking we could write, I like cookies with milk. I like cookies with milk. Let's try that. So the first one, let's figure out how many words it's going to be. I like cookies with milk. So that's 5. Okay, that's 5. All right, here we go. We know the I has to be what? Uppercase. Good. I, finger space, like. Now, like's a snap word, so let's write it in a snap. L-I-K-E. I like, now you need a finger space, cookies, okay? Now remember, cook, ease. It has 2 word parts, cook, ease. Let's do cook first. Now, I'm thinking of a snap word that sounds like cook. What is it? Look. Now, look starts with L. What do we think cookie starts with? Starts with C. So instead of an L, I'm going to put a C. And if look is L-O-O-K, then cook is C-O-O-K. All right? Cookies. Okay, I hear an E, a long E. Cookies. Yep, and an S. All right. I like cookies with, there's our snap word. Let's write it. Finger space, W-I-T-H. H. I like cookies with, finger space, milk. Okay, how many parts does milk have? Milk. Okay, just one word part. Milk starts with M. Now we have to have a vowel. Don't forget, every word needs a vowel. Every word part needs a vowel. So it has one word part, so we need at least one vowel. Okay. I. What says I? Like igloo or iguana. Yes, I. Mill. That's the L. Yep. All right. Milk. What do you hear at the end? You hear a C or a K. It's actually a K. All right. Is that our whole sentence? Do we have 5 words? Let's read it and make sure. I like cookies with milk. Yep. And I'm going to put an exclamation point because I think this is delicious and it's exciting. I want some cookies and milk. You can put a period. Can you put a question mark? Is it a question? No, it's not a question unless it's said. How could you turn it into a question? Yeah, you could say, do you like cookies with milk? That's a question, but right now it's not a question. Very good job, everyone. Now, what's our snap word of the day? With. Very good. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about math for a minute. Last week we were breaking down these numbers. I think what we did on Friday was I called out numbers and you practice writing them. But what we're going to do today is we're going to do a story problem. Okay. Ready? We're gonna do an adding one. All right, you're gonna have to draw a lot, but it's okay. Miss Thompson has 10 pennies. Miss Thompson has 10 pennies. Then Mabel gave Miss Thompson 6 pennies. How many pennies does Miss Thompson have? So let's start with what Miss Thompson had. Miss Thompson had 10 pennies. When we draw pennies, I'm just going to use brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pennies. And then Mabel, come here, Mabel. And then Mabel gave Miss Thompson 6 pennies. Thank you, Mabel. Miss Thompson, or Mabel gave Miss Thompson 6 pennies. So let's write 6 pennies. 1, whoops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. How many pennies does Miss Thompson have now? How many is it, boys and girls? You figure it out. I'll put you down, Mabel. All right. What did you get? Did you get 16? Let's see. It should be 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, so what's our equation? What do we need to write? So how many did Miss Thompson have? I had 10. Then we added. What's the symbol for adding? Yes. And how many did we add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. 10 plus 6 equals, what's our symbol for equals? And how many did it equal? 16, which is a 1, and then the 6. Good. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Great job, everybody on calendar. I hope everybody has a wonderful day and has a great Monday and a great Star Wars day. And I'll see everybody later. Bye.